Bakit nyo inulit-ulit 4 na beses? At kung hindi pa nahuli, baka hanggang 12 beses yan. Pag-usapan natin ang payroll. Familiar ka sa payroll?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
You haven't heard of the word payroll?
Alam ko po, pero paano po nagpa-process ng payroll, Your
I'm
Honor?
not asking you about processing the payroll. Naiintindihan mo ba ang isang payroll?
Yun po ba ang ibig sabihin po ay yung sweldo?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Kung ikaw ang may hawak ng pangsweldo ng tao, let's say sa isang payroll, meron kang 100 taong swisweldohan. Example, kung meron kang 1,000 na tao na swisweldohan ng 100,000 each, so hawak-hawak mo yung pera. Or sabihin na natin, 10,000 each. Pwede bang yung sweldo ni Juan ay ipadala mo kay Maria? At si Maria ang pipirma sa sweldo ni Juan? Or is it not na kapag may payroll, dapat ibigay mo ang sweldo sa taong nararapat?
Kung sino po yung pinagbigyan ko, siya po dapat ang pepperma, Your Honor.
So ibibigay mo kung sino ang nakapangalan.
Kung kanino po talaga papunta yung payroll.
Tama. Bakit dito sa confidential fund, nakapangalan dun sa mga taong ni hindi mo kilala pagkatapos binibigay mo? What if yung pinagbigyan mo ng pera ay wala naman talagang totoong mga taong nakaharap? And you are the one accountable for that. Hindi po ba?
Your Honor, hindi po kasi ako expert dun sa trabaho ni
Kung hindi ka
security.
expert sa trabaho, ba't mo tinanggap ang pagiging SDO?
Your Honor, ang SDO po kasi is to disburse. So,
Precisely, Mr. Chair. Nagdi-disburse ka ng pera. Hindi mo pera. Pera ng taong bayan. Ibig sabihin, major responsibilidad mo, ibigay mo, i-release mo kung sino ang dapat na nakapirma dyan. Kasi ibig sabihin, nire-release mo doon sa kung sino ang dapat na humarap. Hindi po ba?
tama po, Your Honor, pero kung iisa...
So, Mr. Chair, this is maybe something that can really be explored upon. Ano ba ang qualifications ng SDOs? Ano ba ang kanilang, hindi na porket banded ka, okay na. Let me move forward to Mr. Ortonio. Sir Lemuel, kasama ka po na nagwi-withdraw nag-i-in cash ng cheque kay Ma'am Gina Acosta.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Paano nyo ina-arrange? Kasi ang sabi ng Land Bank nung nakarang hearing, ang cash nila is usually maximum na yung 5 million. May 2 to 5 million nga ang narinig ko nung last time. Paano nyo ini-encash? Do you call them to prepare the cash?
As far as I know, Your Honor, our cash division calls Land Bank ahead that
How many days prior?
I believe parang a day before, a day or two before, they inform Land Bank already.
So, Mr. Chair, may we ask the Land Bank official, 1 day prior, the next day, kaya yun na yung 125 million cash, ma'am?
Land Bank, Miss Violeta Constantino.
Your Honor, pwede naman po yun. Usually po mga a day or two po ang ano. Ang
A day or
earmarking.
2. Okay. So, my next question. Sa lahat ng ito, kasama ka ni Ma'am Gina Acosta.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Prior to this, Sir Lemuel, have you had experiences withdrawing such a huge amount of cash?
No, Your Honor.
This is the first time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa iyong experience po, ano ang pinakamataas na nailabas mo sa bangko na cash? Na hindi na ikaw personally or kasama ka or whatever.
Maybe around 200 or 250 personal
200,
that I
250,000.
personally withdrew from the bank.
Sa itong kasong ito, kasama mo si Ma'am Gina Acosta and she is how old?
Miss Gina is 59 or 60.
59. I hope you won't mind. How old are you, Sir Lemuel?
I'm
You look young, huh?
I'm already 40. I'll be turning 43 po.
Oh, 43. Still young. Hindi ka ba ninervyos na 125 million cash ang bibit-bitin nyo palabas ng bangko?
Definitely, Your Honor. Personally, yes, meron pong kaba.
Meron ka ba? Kung meron ka ba, narinig ko rin kasi yan kanina, Mr. Chairman, kay Ma'am Gina Acosta, na kabadong-kabado siya. Okay. Ang tanong ko, pareho kayong kinakabahan. Lalo na ikaw, Assistant Chief of Staff ka ni Madam Vice President. Bakit hindi nyo sinuggest sa kanya na i-withdraw yan via armored vehicle?
At the time, Your Honor, it was a thought that hindi naisipan. Truthfully, Your Honor.
But hindi lang yan once, hindi lang yan twice, thrice, pang-apat. Kasi kung naisip niya, I'm not also sure, Mr. Chair. Let us ask Land Bank, pag ganitong mga withdrawal, hindi ba kayo nagsasuggest na, Madam Vice President, mag-MOA na po tayo kasi importante na may armored vehicle na maghahatid ng pera. Did you not suggest to the Office of the Vice President?
Ms. Violeta Constantino, you're recognized.
Your Honor, wala pong request po nang galing sa
Hindi nga, nag-suggest kayo o hindi?
Hindi po.
Bakit? Hindi kaya, Mr. Chair, hindi sila nag-suggest kasi baka naman private armored vehicle ang kumukuha ng pera at hindi lang nasasabi pero akala mo walang kasama pero maraming kasama. Because you would not dare release 125 million cash, carry it in the heavily trafficked Metro Manila, risk the lives of Mr. Lemuel Ortonio and Ma'am Gina Acosta and even the driver na wala kang kaba kasi baka mamaya rat-ratin yan at kunin yung pera. Is that a probability, Mr. Chair? Maybe Land Bank can answer it? If not, Mr. Chair, tanunong natin si Sir Lemuel, anong sasakyan ang ginamit nyo?
The vehicle that I can remember is Innova.
Innova.
Yes.
Dalawa?
Ang ma-recall ko lang po, Your Honor, was the vehicle that I was in. So it was Toyota Innova.
Nasaan yung pera? Kay Ma'am Gina or nasa'yo?
As mentioned earlier, Your Honor, it's with me po. It's in the vehicle that I was in.
Tapos si Ma'am Gina nasaan?
She's in another vehicle po.
So, Mr. Chair, Sir Lemuel, mawalang galang na po. You are the Assistant Chief of Staff. Ba't ka papayag na ikaw ang magbibit-bit ng pera samantalang hindi ikaw ang SDO? In fact, as the superior of Ma'am Gina Acosta, you should have insisted that Gina Acosta should have and carried that money throughout. Kasi alam nyo na hindi ka pwedeng magbit-bit niyan dahil hindi ka banded officer. Tama o mali?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Bakit nyo inulit-ulit 4 na beses? At kung hindi pa nahuli, baka hanggang 12 beses yan.
Your Honor, because as mentioned by Ms. Gina, natatakot siya na nasa kanya lang. And we do admit, Your Honor, na it would have been better na kasama ko si Ms. Gina.
Okay, natatakot siya. Natatakot ka. Bakit ka pumayag na lahat nasa sayo?